is my big booty Judy backhoe, and this here is, well, it used to be my alarm clock. This thing was going off this morning and it wasn't working right, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna take it to work and I'm gonna smash it with my backhoe. Who wouldn't want to see something get smashed by a backhoe? If you want to see more videos like this, hit the like button, leave a comment down below. If anything else you want to see me smash, I'd love to smash it. So I'm not sure how this is going to turn out. It's my first video doing this, so we're going to give it a try. I'm going to sit y'all down on the ground by the trusty dusty alarm clock and we're going to smash this thing to pieces. Well guys, as y'all can see, there is no más alarm clock. It is smashed to smithereens, got pieces all over the place. I don't know how well it turned out on camera, but I thought it was pretty fun. If you liked the video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Leave a comment down below of anything else y'all like me to smash, and we will catch y'all in the next video.